Hello, real estate investors. Sorry about the wind out here, but I'm outside of a duplex that I own. Tenant just moved out. So these are 3-bedroom, 2-bath, up-down duplexes, 1-car garage for each unit. If you watch some of my videos, you may have seen a video of that duplex. I own that one there. There's a whole bunch of those duplexes in the area. They were all built by the same builder. But anyhow, let me go show you how the tenant left the apartment. So this wasn't the tenant's fault. This was like that before they moved in. But I think I may replace this door with that grill been busted. And the worst part is actually inside the door. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's light shining through the door. So I'll play around with it, decide if I'm going to replace it or not. So in here is the living room. It's in really good shape. Tenant left the whole place in good shape. Probably gonna have to paint a little bit in here, touch up. You can see where it's kind of dirty there. But overall, maybe just paint that wall. I don't think we'll have to paint anything else in here. Kitchen, it's a little dated with the oak cabinets, but I'm probably gonna leave it this time. I just don't think I feel like painting it. It's a big job to paint these cabinets. What I think I'm probably going to do is put new laminate just over top of this existing counter, because that gouge drives me insane every time I see it. This door, you can see daylight through here. It just needs a new sill. So these are cheap. These just pull out and you just stick the new ones in. They just got a little tongue that fits in there. So that's an easy fix. That is not glass on here. That we just had snow here and the tenant put salt on the deck. So if the weather is nice enough, this deck's a little over a year old. I would like to get it painted to get it protected. We'll see if the weather is going to be good enough to do that. So about 4 years ago, I remodeled this place, got rid of the brown trim. It had all brown doors, like similar to those closet, well, exactly like those closet doors actually. For some reason, I didn't replace the closet doors. So you guys let me know what you think, if I should replace these ugly old brown doors to match the white doors, or if it's good enough for a rental. If you could let me know your thoughts on that. This is the laundry room. So that water heater is only a couple years old. I put that in 2-3 years ago. Oh my God, I used a shark bite. Shouldn't have done that, but oh well. It's at least out here, not buried in the wall. So the furnace, it's a gas furnace. It's old, but still running. So the bathroom, probably going to repaint in here. You may not be able to see it with the camera, but the paint's pretty rough. We'll paint that bottom of that vanity black. That countertop, I just put that on before the last tenant moved in, so that's real good shape. I don't know if I'm going to do anything about the mirror. I have to ask my wife. Let me know about that too if you see that. And this bedroom is in pretty good shape. The tenant did tell me her daughter knocked a hole in the wall, which is my fault because I don't have any kind of doorstop there. That's really a pretty easy fix. I actually get the stick-on kind. They're just a piece of plastic and it'll just cover up the hole, blend right in. So this bedroom, I don't think there's anything to do in here. Once again, let me know about the closet doors, what you think. The master's in really good shape. I think the only thing we're going to do in here is, see, I guess I did this, I don't remember, but it's painted 2 different colors, so we'll probably paint the whole ceiling just to make it all match. Master bath, that vent looks bad, so we'll put a new vent in there. Tub doesn't look too bad. Once again, we'll paint this vanity. We can patch that and paint it. Overall, the tenant left in a great place. It's really clean, so this will be a real quick one. I've got a guy coming to help me on Monday, and so we should knock this out. Probably not a full day, depending on what we do with the deck. If we do the deck and replace the front door, then it may take us a couple days. But It's good enough now. It's in good enough shape now. I'm already taking pictures and videos, and I'm going to put it up on Facebook and see if we can get some appointments scheduled to show it. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and thank you for watching.